Hey guys, had somebody pull up next to me at a stoplight and tell me my driver's side brake light was out. Passenger side, we got 3 bulbs here. Brake light, tail light, blinker. Brake light, tail light, blinker. Brake light's out, show you guys how to do it. Okay, got the lift gate open. There's 2 screws here, and they are Torx screws. Oh, there's my Duracell Power Pack 1100 that I did a review on. Be sure and check out that review. I take this thing wherever I go now. But, okay. For those that don't know, this is a Torx bit. And you can see on there, I think you can see T25. This is a Torx 25. Okay, you can see these little knobs. We'll go right up in there. Kind of got to wiggle it around and it'll pull out. Okay, I could just pop this off right here, but I want to put this on the workbench, so I'm just going to disconnect the wiring harness here, which you just push this, wiggle it, and there we go. So now we can. Okay, the reason I took the whole tail light out is just to show you guys how easy it is. Just the 2 Torx screws and the wiring harness clip, just in case you wanted to put one of those, a pair, I should say, of those fancy LED tail lights, or those ones that are all blinged out and look cool, I guess now. That's how easy it is to replace the tail light. Otherwise, all you got to do is just pop this cap off right here, which. See if I can do this with one hand. You just squeeze these clips. Oh, and there's your bulb. Okay, here's my new bulb. Now you're going to see it on most vehicles, which a lot of you guys might have already done this, but if not, most of these taillight bulbs are going to end in 57, 3157, whatever, for whatever vehicle. So I've got these at Pep Boys, $7 for the pair, I think it was. And I always put a little bulb grease on there. As you can see, prevents corrosion, moisture proofs, which I think that's, look at that. Looks like I maybe got a little moisture in there. And then it's easier to get the bulb out when you need to replace it again. Okay, all you should have to do is just kind of wiggle that. And try and get a grip on the plastic part here and not the bulb, otherwise you might wind up breaking the bulb right out of the plastic part. And you can see the little clip that's holding it in. I guess if you need some help with that, you can stick a little screwdriver, pry that away, but this it's coming out. Okay, there we go. That's what that looks like. You don't need much of that. And when you buy these, for the front blinkers, these bulbs are amber. So don't accidentally grab the amber ones. It'll be like a 3157, and then I think it's like don't quote me, but I think like LR or something. Just make sure you're grabbing the right bulb. For the front bulbs, you want amber bulbs, and for the tail lights, you want to the clear bulbs. Make sure you listen for the click so you know it's in. Just go snug on those. Snug plus a little. You don't want to crack the taillight or your threads in there. You don't want to strip them. Okay, we're lit. Brake light, tail light, blinker. Brake light, tail light, blinker. That is so awesome when somebody comes up and tells you got a brake light out, tail light out, or your blinker's not working or something like that. Much rather have you telling me that than a cop and giving me a ticket. So yeah, that was awesome. I appreciate that guy. Debbie and I appreciate every single one of you, and we're going camping this weekend, and I haven't quite decided. It's going to be somewhere right around Phoenix here, within an hour. Probably in the desert because it's still a little cool. So look forward to that video. And like I said, we appreciate every single one of you guys. And God bless.